go ahead and fucking leave. I'm not gonna stop you. Yeah. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. What do you want me to do, huh? You want me to cry and scream? I can't do that. If I cried every time somebody left, I would never stop crying. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Go. I can't be begging for nobody no more.
I love you!
Where?
What?
Show me. Where is this love? I can't see it. I can't touch it. I can't feel it. I can hear it. I can hear some words, but I can't do anything with your easy words. Whatever you say, it's too late.
Please, don't do this!
I don't want a guy who protects me because he thinks I'm weak. I want a guy who protects me because I'm important.
Tigilan mo ang paglalandi sa asawa ko. At kung siya, ayaw niyang tumigil. Pwede kong kalimutan ang pagiging edukada ko. Kakalad ka rin kita palabas hanggang matapos ako sa'yo. At ikaw, kakailanganin mong iparetoke ang kakapalan ng pagmumukha mo na iintindihan mo.
Ma'am, may chicken po kami. Gusto niyo po itry? Anong part po?
Yung part na magkasama kami. Yung part na magkahawak yung kamay namin. Yung part na lang iwanan.
Pero okay na ako.
Hindi na ako marupok!
Hindi na ako marupok.
Hindi na ako iiyak!
Hindi na ako iiyak.
Kasi hindi na kita mahal!
Olivia?
I am not a toy you can play with when you're bored or lonely or horny. I am not the girl the guy gets at the end of the movie. I am not a fantasy. If you want me, earn me! Until then, we are done.
Kaya kahit gusto kong umuwi, kasi ang lungkot. Ang hirap-hirap mag-isa. Miss na miss ko kayong lahat.
Sana pagka nahanap mo na yung para sa'yo, sana ganito pa din tayo.
Halos isang linggo ako nung nagpuyat sa kaka-review, pero wala mental block. Sa takot ko sa papa ko na hindi ako pumasa. Yes, I attempted to cheat. Attempted.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah. I told you guys what happened.
I know.
So then why do you keep asking me if I'm okay?
I guess I'm waiting for an answer that I believe.
I'm okay.
Sorry, I don't buy that.
Seriously, you can go.
So he broke up with me. Why are you looking up?
I need to cry, but my foundation was $48.
Joanne, sawang-sawa na ako makipagkumpetensya sa nakaraan mo.
Hindi mo naman kailangan makipagkumpetensya. Ano ka ba? Tapos na yun.
Paano naging tapos yun? Ha? Paano naging tapos yun? You haven't seen the guy in years. Ayoko na.
Eh bakit ba?
May iba na ako eh.
Iiban mo ko dahil may iba ka na? Ako nga matagal nang may iba, iniban ba kita?
Nasaktan ka naman ng lalaki, baby.
Kala ko ako lang yung baby niyan. Yung pala, baby tawa niya lang pala ako.
Hoy, babaeng sinungaling, walang hiya kang malandi kang haliparot ka. Hindi mo alam kung paano gumanti ang pusong nasaktan ng ganito. Hindi mo alam.
You're hired.
Ang hinayaan mo ang insultuhin ng gagong yun.
Ano gusto mong gawin ko? Girahin ko yung tao para mawalan tayo ng kliyente? Nang nag-iisa nating kliyente, may I just
So
remind you.
kasalanan ko pa ngayon, isa ang kliyente natin.
Hindi ko sinabi yun, Popoy. Sinabi ko ba yun?
Hindi mo nga sinabi pero yung nakasulat sa mukha mo.
Lahat na lang.
I know the value of words. The words can make you, break you, they can heal your soul, they can damage you forever.